Nissan just announced it will offer a newly developed Cummins V8 turbo diesel in its next generation full-size pickup. The company made the announcement at Nissan 360, an industry showcase of Nissan's global product and technology portfolio.
The part that we've been working on this together for a period of time, we've had the time to really do it right.
The 5-liter V8 turbo diesel engine came from a partnership between Nissan and Cummins.
Mainly, we've had a great collaboration between our engineering teams, and for us, it's just been a great opportunity to work together.
Look for the next generation Titan to add powertrain options, different cab configurations, and several truck bed sizes.
We have a truck that is definitely going to give the competitions a run for their money, and I think we're going to shock a few people in the industry when they find out that we're literally putting a Cummins engine in our Nissan Titan truck. It's great news, it's big news.
This V8 turbo diesel has a torque rating in the mid-500s and more than 300 horsepower.
Fuel economy is going to be great, we're going to have great performance, and we've done a lot of work together to ensure that we've got it really optimized for the application and great quality.
We're going to be the only ones to have a V8 diesel in a 1500 truck, which is a pretty neat space to play in because you're actually going to be more powerful and bigger and have more capability than a 1500, but not quite at the level of a 2500.
The Cummins engine will be built at the Columbus Engine Plant in Columbus, Indiana. Like the current model, the next generation Titan will be built at Nissan's Canton, Mississippi Vehicle Assembly Plant.
So there's a very seamless then transition from our facility to the actual assembly of the vehicle.
For competitive reasons, Nissan is not yet announcing launch dates for the truck, but engineering prototype trucks powered by the Cummins engine are already undergoing extensive public highway performance and durability testing.
Hopefully the Titan will no longer be the best kept secret, especially now that we have the Cummins power plant and the unique new design. I think we're going to make sure that everyone in the world knows about the new Nissan Titan.